Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how you can use Notion as an editorial calendar for your blog, a life-changing skill for bloggers in 2025. Let's start by creating a new page in Notion. Click on plus new page and name it Editorial Calendar. The reason we do this is to create a central hub for all your content planning and scheduling. Next up, we're going to add a table. Click on the plus Add a Block button and select Table. Now you have a basic framework where you can organize your content. This is crucial because it provides an easy-to-view snapshot of your blog's upcoming posts. Now that we've done that, let's customize our table. You can add columns for title, status, publish date, author, and any other details that are relevant to your workflow. This helps us because it enables us to track the progress of each blog post at a glance. The next step involves sorting and filtering your table. Click on the three dots at the top right of each column, then select Sort or Filter as needed. This is an important step because it allows you to prioritize your content and ensure everything stays on schedule. Finally, you can also add tags to your posts. Click on a cell under the Tags column, then type in relevant tags for that post. This is useful because it helps you categorize your content, making it easier to manage. And there you have it. You've created an efficient, organized editorial calendar in Notion. This is a game changer for bloggers as it provides a visual overview of your content, helps you stay organized, and ensures you never miss a post. That wraps up our tutorial for today. Keep exploring Notion and enhancing your blogging game. Thanks for joining us, and see you next time.